Now that all of us are suddenly limited by what we can safely do, it has never been more important to get out and get some fresh air to reduce stress. Keeping your safe social distance, of course. During these strange times, it is vitally important to reduce your stress because stress can weaken your immune system, and any amount of exercise will greatly help your mental state, which reduces stress. With gyms, spin studios, and just about everything else closed, many are turning to their good old trusty bikes to fill in. Velofix is an essential business to get your bike rolling. We are practicing safe social distancing bike tune-ups. Simply book online, then leave the bike where we can have easy access to it. We'll arrive, help ourselves to the bike, get it working properly, and return it to where we found it. It's that easy. No risk to you and your family. No risk to us or the chance of us spreading the virus. Go to velofix.com. Book a time that's convenient to you.